All right, today's the day that I'm going to clean the inside of my gaming streaming PC. It's a mess. I was down there the other day looking, and it is full of dust. So I want to keep it running for a long time. I'm gonna take it outside and clean it out. Stand by. Oh, hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. Okay, I'm back. I'm in my garage. I'm going to use my shop vac, get a better perspective of how bad this thing is. I'm going to take this side panel off. See the dust down in the bottom. So, guess I need to, I've never had this apart. That's novel. They don't come all the way out, which is probably good. I don't know what to do next, so I may be going in the house. Oh, nice. One screw takes this side piece off right there, and then it pops right off. It's got two fans. So I'm gonna use my shop vac and get some of this real loose stuff off, and then I'm gonna use the blower mode to blow it. Dust out here. So that got about, I'm gonna say 40% out, but the fans still have a lot on their blades. So I'm gonna get another tool. See if I got something over here, a little paintbrush or something. That's doing it. That piece behind her is full of dirt. I don't know what that is. Well, let's try this one now. Let's throw some air at it instead of sucking air. I don't know, what do you think? Hit it again. Look at the bottom of this. Oh boy. Good thing I looked at the bottom. Got a whole nother level of dirt there. Spot up the front. There goes my watch clock. There goes my watch clock. Hit him a little bit. That looks like it comes out. Look how that comes out. The notch there. Another fan. You're not supposed to let those fans spin when you're cleaning, because you can spin them too hard, too fast. I think that's good. I think that's pretty good. Let's stand her back up. Do a final whoa. Screen over here. Okay. All right. Spin. Pulling security. You all right? Grass is wet. You don't want to be out here. I'm just going to wipe this down with a simple, clean washcloth. Dry. You know what? This has got plastic on it, which I've never took off. Oh, this thing's gonna look great now. See, it goes right like that, snaps in, and then there's one screw up here. I gotta get it lined up. You even need tools. And look at this. I never pulled this off because I thought that caution thing meant it should have stayed on there. I should have waited until I got it in the house. Wow. Let's go get her hooked back up. Moment of truth. Oh, it looks better. And we got power. See what happens up here on my main monitor. Oh, we got something going on up here. I gotta crawl my ass up here.
We're going to be talking about how to judge the distance with or without.
Okay. Another view down there. Looking good. I'm sweating. If this video helped you out, throw me a like and subscribe. That would make all my wildest dreams come true.